What's going on, guys? It's Chaz with Homegrown How To. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be applying some liquid iron to my lawn. The 4th of July is about a week away. We usually do a big party for the 4th of July with friends and family. This year's no different. And I've got to get that lawn dark green, as dark as I can get it, because the darker the better. Now, the lawn currently is fairly green. I did a fertilizer application a little bit ago, and you can see it's looking decent, looking okay. But I just gotta get it greener, you know. It's currently pretty green, not quite the greenest on the block. My buddy's yard over there is looking pretty dang good. I wonder if he's secretly trying to compete with me, but I've got to get mine greener. One product that I like to use for getting the lawn dark green, I've already mentioned it, is liquid iron, baby. Now, nitrogen also gives you a pretty good green up, but the liquid iron just kind of takes you over the top, really gives you that wow factor. So I'm going to be applying this to my lawn today with the help of the Ortho Dial-In Sprayer. And y'all, before we get moving on here, I just opened up my Amazon store. I've got that linked in my link tree on Instagram, and I'll drop the link in the description below. Be sure to check out the stuff there. I've got some pretty cool stuff I've only used is going in there, and stuff that I've liked that I've used. I'm not going to put anything in there that I don't like. So in regards to the lawn, it says use about 2 to 4 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet. I'm going to go heavy and do the 4 ounces. Cool thing about this dial-in sprayer is it has the measurements on the side here. So I've got about 5,000 square feet on my lawn, so I'm going to be using 20 ounces. Big old jug. And if you do make a spill, remember this liquid iron is staining, so try to clean that off as quick as you can. Stain your concrete for sure. And if you followed along with any of my past videos, you may know that I like to use local products for the most part when applying anything to my lawn. Shop local, support your local small businesses. I shop at my local co-op / farm store. It's called IFA. So if you're in Utah, definitely take advantage of IFA products. Plus, you're going to save a lot of money shopping locally. I don't know off the top of my head for sure, but I think a 32-ounce bottle of iron is like 20 to 30 bucks, give or take. Last year, I bought this huge, what is this, 2 gallons? 2-gallon or 8-liter bottle. I bought this bad boy for a total of like $24. Lasted me all last year. It's gonna last me all this year and even into next year. All right, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get this metal on the lawn. Let's get her looking green. Let's get her dark green. Also, for the 4th of July, I'm trying to mow in a little American flag. America, baby. I'll have this bad boy dialed in and really popping come 4th of July. So let's talk a little bit more about the benefits of liquid iron. Obviously, as I stated before, it does help with greening up the lawn. This can help make your lawn look obviously more vibrant, lush, and green. Also, it can help correct iron deficiencies, so if you are having some yellowing in the lawn, it may be due to iron deficiency. And iron being a micronutrient powerhouse, this can also increase photosynthetic activity. Iron is also a vital micronutrient that helps with the resistance of your lawn as far as heat stress, disease, and drought are concerned. Plus, did you know that iron is generally safe for the environment? Alright, well, now I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of that to the backyard. If you have any questions about liquid iron, please drop those down in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful or informative at all, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future lawn and home tips. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.